Hello, I'm Graham and I hope everyone's having a great day. Welcome to my review of this Pixie mini tripod from Manfrotto. Now, I was in the market for a tabletop tripod because I'm going on a travelling trip in a couple of weeks' time, and I wanted a small tripod to enable me to do selfies and some nighttime photography where I can stand this on a table or on a wall. So I didn't want anything heavy, just needed a small hand baggage type tripod. Now in the UK the Pixie is just under £20, so $24, something like that in the States. Available in different colours, but I went for the standard one with a red top. The construction is from engineering grade plastic and the ball head is aluminium. To release the ball head itself, there's a little button on the ball head. When you depress that, it allows you to rotate the ball to any position within 30 degrees and anywhere on the 360 degree circle. Once you release the button, when you've got the camera where you want it, it holds it in place. Now the 8-inch footprint of this is sufficient to hold a 1 kilogram payload, so it's ideal for bridge cameras, CSCs or travel zooms, that sort of camera. You can use this as a hand grip. The legs will fold in to a vertical position, so you can use this for your video to keep the camera steady, or you could use it with your smartphone with the usual adapter. Again, the tripod ball head has got the standard 1/4 20 mounting screw, so that will fit most cameras and most smartphone adapters. There is an upgraded version of this which has extendable legs, which gives you a wider footprint, and the head is engineered to a much higher degree, so that will allow you to use DSLRs with a longer focal length lens. But that's about £34 or $45 in the States, but for me this was all I needed for the trip that I have planned. So that's it for the short review of the Pixie mini tripod from Manfrotto. If you've not seen my photographic blog, please do check it out. I'll put a link to that in the video description below. So until my next video, thanks again for watching. Please do take care, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Goodbye for now.